Unlocking the Mystery of Shed Door Repair, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's lesson. Today, we're going to dive into the phrase, shed door repair. Whether you're fixing your own shed or just curious about English phrases used in everyday tasks, this video is for you. Let's explore what this phrase means, why it's useful, and how you can use it in your everyday English conversations. Shed door repair might seem straightforward, but let's break it down to understand each component. A shed is a small building, usually found in a garden or backyard, used for storage or as a workshop. The door is the part that opens and closes, allowing you access to the shed. And repair means to fix something that is broken or damaged. So, when we combine these words, shed door repair refers to the process of fixing or mending the door of a shed. Understanding phrases like shed door repair can be quite important, especially if you're involved in tasks around the house or in your job. It's not just about the physical act of repairing, it's also about understanding instructions, asking for help, or even helping others. Knowing these phrases can make your communication clearer and more effective. In this section, let's see how shed door repair can be used in sentences. 1. Asking for help. Could you give me a hand with the shed door repair this weekend? 2. Explaining a problem. I noticed the shed's door is off its hinges. It needs some repair. 3. Offering assistance. I have some experience with shed door repair, so I can help you fix it. Understanding how to use the phrase in different contexts helps in making your communication precise and clear. If you find yourself actually needing to repair a shed door, here are some quick tips. 1. Inspect the damage. Understand what's wrong before you start fixing it. 2. Gather your tools. Make sure you have the right tools for the job. 3. Take your time. Be patient and careful to ensure the repair is done right. Thank you for joining me today to unravel the meaning and usage of shed door repair. Remember, understanding such phrases not only improves your English vocabulary but also equips you with practical knowledge for everyday tasks. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. See you next time, and happy learning!